Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to use this Toyota touch-up set when we need to repair and service our cars, Toyota cars, this paint and this body color. And let's continue. First step what we need to know is that there is two bottles, base coat and clear coat. Base coat is easy to understand because there is this color like gold, silver or black in here. And this is like only, this is like air, there is no any color, this clear coat. And this is like finishing paint. And then when we start to read this our information, first step is that I have to take this base coat in that way, and now we are talking in this one, and there is info that there is no need for shaking that bottle. It is good to know, because sometimes we remember that we have to shake this paint. And then also there is this temperature that there must be, in this case we have Celsius, that there must be to be plus temperature like 5 Celsius to 35, and that means that if we are in freezing or snow, then we can't use this base coat because it is too cold. And also if we are in really hot temperature, like in summertime in California, then there is too hot. Remember that there must be just suitable like normal little bit half sunny day. And then third point is that we need this cotton cloth, clean white cotton cloth for this cleaning purpose. And now we are in this step 3, and now we have to go to clean our car body with this coat. And I have an issue in there, and let's go to look. This is my defect scratch area. And now when we are looking, we can see in there one small scratch, and let's go to look closer at that scratch. And now, because this is very big area, the scratch is really small. It is in here, in that area, and now I use my pencil, this sharp point, that we understand that where is this damage area. Now looking in very near, we can see that there is now 2 millimeters multiply 3 millimeters, that area what is damaged, and now I need to clean this thing firstly. Okay, and now I take this my clean cotton cloth, and now only purpose is to clean that area really well, that there is no any dirties using this hard or actually this is durable and soft cotton cloth. If you have old t-shirt or some another white cloth, this is really excellent. And now I mark this my position, and now we have made this point 3. Okay, and then we go in this point 4, and now it means that we need to take this base coat in our hand because we need this paint in this scratch area. And now we are in this point 4. We can also look that closer. Okay, and now we can see that I need to take now this my paint, and we are now in this point 4. This picture is little bit difficult to see, but now I need this paint pencil. Okay, and now I take this my pencil, I open this my cap, I rotate, and then I carefully lift that up, and there we can see this paint, and then I install that very little in there. And let's go to look closer at this thing, because this is so important step. Okay, and now we can see this small scratch in here, and there can be even bigger scratch, but now I open that. And then this is important thing, very carefully, only so little this paint that this scratch goes away, and little bit that there is small, little bit like small heel in there. Good, this looks really good. And then I close this my paint bottle, and now we have this nice base coat in there, and this looks really good. And then we need to look instructions again. Okay, and then I need to look my instructions, and now we are in point 5, and point 5 tells to us that now I have to wait 10 minutes. 10 minutes is this waiting time in here, 10 minutes. It means that now this my paint, it must dry out, that it becomes dry. Okay, and let's wait 10 minutes. This is important. Okay, and now we are waited 10 minutes, and we can continue that job. And then we go to next step, and next step is that I have to install in that my base coat area little bit water. And this is interesting because I need now little bit water, and I take water in here. And there is this my base coat, and there is really soft mattress in this head, and in this instructions tells to us that we need fresh water, like bottle water is fine. And then we look in here that we have to do that upper area little bit wet. This is our next step, that we need wet to install in there wet. And let's go to look that closer this picture. We are really this point 6, and there is info that I need to drain in there water, and in that way in this area water. And let's do that next. And there is my bottle, and now I will demonstrate this my job in here. Now I will demonstrate, and there is my water, and I little bit add in here this water in that way. And this is good to do little bit far away in this our paint position, but now I like to demonstrate that how this water goes inside in this way. Good. Now there is this water in here, and then we look at next point. And next point is point 7, and now I need to press with that soft material, this mattress, in this paint area in here. And let's look at how this happens. Press this my paint area, and now I install this my soft material couple of times in here, and this purpose is to make this base coat area a little bit more wet. Okay, and then when we have made that thing, next step is to clean this area again in this water in that way. And now I am doing that little bit far away, that we need to clean that soft material. And then we have to only control that water goes only in here, not in this painting area. Okay, good. And then we can look next step. We are now in this position, step 8. Now we are in this step 8, and then when we have cleaned that, we have to wait again 10 minutes. 10 minutes waiting that there is this my paint area, and let's wait 10 minutes. Now I have waited 10 minutes, and there is this my paint area, and then we go to next step, what is point, go to point 10 in here. And now we need to take this clear coat, this paint, and this is actually totally like water, no any paint, and there is no any need for shaking also in here, no any need. And then again this temperature is 5 to 35 those Celsius is this temperature in here where we can operate. And there is idea that if we have too hot or too cold, then this clear coat it don't work. And there we can see this next step, point 12. Point 12 means that we need to now install this clear coat in this damaged area. And that means that I need to take this clear coat bottle. And there is really this clear coat bottle, and I open that my bottle, and there is small pencil, and then I need to take in their inner area this clear coat little bit. And I will do that next. Okay, there is my clear coat, and there is this material in here, and we install little bit amount, not too much in there, and let's go to look closer when I install that in there. And now we can see very nicely, and there is this my clear coat. Now I install a little bit that in here, in that way. Good. Now there's nice clear coat in there. Excellent. Okay, and then we go to look next point what we need to do. Now we are in point 13, and we need to now wait 20 minutes that this clear coat dry out, that this clear coat becomes dry. And let's wait that amount 20 minutes that is my clear coat, this area will be dry in here. And then when we have waited this 20 minutes, then this our job, we are now in position 14, this is okay, and then we can start to drive our car. But then we have second step, point 15, when we are waited 2 days, what means 48 hours, then we need to polish that area in here. And let's go to look at what that polish means in this point, because we need now this polish this material. Polish is this final, the 16 point that we need to polish that our painted area. And let's go to look at how to do that job. And then we have this our target area in here, and then we need to purchase this super polish. It is like this material is excellent, that one. Okay, and now I have add in here this polish wax, and then I need to do this polish in that way. And this purpose is to clean and sand this extra, this clear coat away in this area. And this is this final point, this point 16, and there is this polish purpose that I install first this polish, and then in another clean cotton cloth I make this area shiny. Okay, and now this job is ready, and we can then also clean all other polish wax in here away in that way, and then we have shiny paint in there. Thank you, my friend, and thumbs up, and see you in next movie.